The Meghalaya government on Tuesday has decided to cancel its order to reopen places of worship in the state. After a second meeting held with religious leaders in Shillong city, the government along with the leaders from different organizations agreed upon a decision to put it on hold and places of worship will continue to remain closed until further orders. On June 5, 2020, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong had informed that a meeting was held with all the religious leaders and had decided to allow the reopening of places of worship from June 14th. The government had earlier handed out a drafted standard operating procedures which was discussed and agreed upon with the religious leaders. A finalized copy of the SOPs laid down by the government was given to them on Saturday. Let's listen to what the Deputy Chief Minister has to say concerning the meeting held with the religious leaders today.
With all the religious leaders of the state came together, and again we had a detailed discussion with all of them, from each denomination, from each group. We had given enough opportunity to all of them to express their concern and also their suggestions, submissions made by them. So, as a result, I would like to inform you, the meeting unanimously decided today that reopening up of the religious worshipping places, worshipping places will not be allowed. Reopening up will not be allowed, and the last decision we taken on the 5th of this month stands cancelled. And this decision were taken with the suggestions, submissions made by all the respective religious groups, religious denominations within the state of Meghalaya. In fact, it is the decision where we ultimately come out from the submissions and the suggestions made by all the respective religious leaders of different groups and different denominations. On the basis of that, then the government has taken the decision that reopening of the worshipping places still not allowed till further order. As I said to you, they are concerned about health and safety of their citizens. And some of them, they even cited example what has happened in Delhi when they had that gathering in the
Tablighi Jamaat.
Over there. Even they took that instances what has happened. So God forbid, they said, in fact, yes, we don't want to see that the same history will repeat in Meghalaya. But as I said to you, they said prevention is better than cure. So unanimously, we decided with the government, along with the government, that reopening up is again postponed till further.
So the first week...
No, there was not much of differences. Of course, it is not a discussion when there is no differences, except for one or two, except for one, all the people have accepted, all the leaders have accepted, church leaders have also accepted, mosque and mandir also. Yeah.
Actually, we had a lot of long discussion. But towards the end of it, most of the people were of the view that it is better to put it off for a little while before we open the places of worship. So we just came to a conclusion wherein we will wait till the 30th of June till we take a call, and then we'll decide when to open. So there's no opening of religious institutions till the 30th of June.
Okay, even for Gurudwara, like
For
all the
everybody,
religious
for everybody,
places.
yes, yes.
Okay, so you're fine with this, like this is
Yeah,
agreeable.
we were anyway ready, but then prevention is better than cure.
Right.
It's better to handle crowds who will not come there, so it's easier.
And so after the June of 30th, that's where you will come about it.
That I think we might be invited for another meeting, and then we will take a call together.